my second rocket launch at NASA.
Yeah, this is Caleb's second rocket launch at NASA. Caleb, you're up.
Come on up here, Caleb. Big red button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There goes Caleb's rocket. Wow, it's so high. Look, this rocket is so high. All right, Caleb, look.
Somebody complained that
Isn't that awesome, Caleb? Yours is still coming down, Caleb.
Manufacturer. He said sure. He took the file and followed it out.
Daniel, you're up next.
Go catch yours. Go catch yours, buddy.
Oh, he's just working his way through.
Oh, that kid went to catch yours. Go get it. Go get it. Caleb, that was awesome. Did you see Gaga's rocket? It's right there. It's right there. Yeah. Say yay, my girl.